little bit about how project management worked for us. We were tasked with managing remote teams of around 14 members that are spread out over many different time zones. And we had to establish project scope and specifications and timelines in order to make sure that whatever project we set out to build, we could actually build it within the time that we had and make sure we could work efficiently as a team. So in doing this, we use many different tools. So notably, we used Trello in order to delegate tasks to our members. We used G Suite to organize our meetings and set up our Google Meets, and use Calendar to make sure that the time zone issues wouldn't really have to fall on our heads, because that stuff, simple math can sometimes mess up. We use GitHub to collaborate together for our code base, and we use Slack and Discord to maintain these open communication channels so that our team, even though we had a lot of distance in between us, it could feel like we were still in the same room. And now I'm going to pass it off to BM, who's going to be talking about how we use team organization to set up our teams.
Thank you, Mutaz. I am BJ Maharzan, and I'm one of the participants of the Full Stack July team. And I'll be continuing to talk about project management, because as we all know, project management is one of the important topics. So as we all might be aware of Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos' 2 pizza rule. Like if a team cannot be fed by 2 pizza, then the team is too big. That's it. So we further divided the team into multiple sub-teams, like headed by a lead. So this created a very clear transparency, and there was more interaction between team members. That was obviously a good part. And there was a specific feature that each sub-team had to accomplish. So we implemented kind of sprint system, which lasted a week. And at the start of each sprint in a team meeting, we did a review of all the backlogs first, and then we planned for the next feature each team will be working on for the upcoming week. And also within each sub-team, there was like at least 3 meetings a week. And so we basically stuck with a plan where each team member, they will do a quick stand-up answering 3 questions. What did you do yesterday? What will you do today? And are there any obstruction on your way? So these 3 questions, like they have to answer. And this is the key part of keeping track of all the progress. So each team member also have to complete self-assessment that was due each week, and they will have to post all the list of the tasks they completed, skills they have learned, and they had to post it in a SteamOS site. So it was not just limited to technical skills, but each team members, they were open to post their leadership skills and communication skills they have gained by this internship.